You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this interesting but confusing word. By the way, if you want to learn more names of dog breeds that are very confusing, stay tuned, I've got many videos for you. It's pronounced as cynophile. This designates the meaning is a person who loves dogs. You know, if you love dogs, you're a cynophile. Cynophile. Stress on the first syllable. British English and American English pronunciations are similar. Cynophile. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.